Hi there, Joe here. So it's the first week of June. Got a lot of new things going on this year in the garden. For the first time I installed the trellis, and on the trellis I put a coated vinyl fencing to give more support that the plants can grow up. I also built an enclosure that is covered with netting so that I can grow inside that plants like kale and broccoli without having the white flies infesting the plants. To grow up the trellis this year, I'm planting watermelon, cucumbers, and peas. Inside the trellis, I have two 5-gallon buckets that have sweet potatoes, and they should latch onto the trellis also and grow upward on it. So this is the trellis that I bought and installed this year. It came with a nylon netting that I didn't think was too sturdy, so I bought a fencing that is black coated to match the trellis and installed that. As you can see, I have peas growing. I also have watermelon coming up that's supposed to be able to be grown vertically. And inside the trellis, I have sweet potatoes. So once they get bigger, then they should grow up the trellis. And you can see our peas are coming along. I have them covered to keep the varmints off them until they get bigger. And then I also has cucumbers planted. So the trellis inside is just about 6.5 feet high. It is 6 feet wide, and there is a spacing inside of 4 feet. So this is something new I'm trying this year. First time doing this. It's a covered bed. So I have a 2x4 base that I built, and then I used 1/2-inch PVC and assembled that. And then the netting is held in place by 7/8 of an inch clips that I found on Amazon and purchased. Right now inside I planted today some small seedlings, and they are broccoli and kale. Eggplant are doing good. I do have something that's been chomped on, some bugs, but I dusted them today. Also, the peppers are doing good, dusted them. And then over in the back, you can see our plum tomatoes. We have San Marzano. And in the back, you can see we have the medium rare, which are doing excellent. And the bodacious are doing great. Planted zucchini, waiting for that to come up. String beans, waiting for that to come up. First planting of corn is up. I will be doing 1 or 2 more plantings. Also, you can see the potatoes are doing excellent. They're up. So this is my first planting of lettuce this year. I have 6 plants, and it's a red leaf lettuce, a romaine, and it seems to be growing good. Blueberries are doing really good. Later this week, I plan on putting the covers on them so to keep the birds out, because the blueberries are starting to turn. But so far, so good. Looks like we're going to have a good harvest on blueberries.